In this subject, we will be using the terms school of thought, management theories, and principles of management. So first of all, we need to have an understanding of what these terms actually are and how they are connected with each other. A school of thought is like a collection of ideas or a collection of rules about how to run a business or any other organization. These are ideas about how to make a business work well, how to lead people, and how to get things done efficiently. There are several management schools like classical, behavioral, quantitative, systems, contingency, and modern management schools. Modern management theories are also called contemporary and emerging theories. Within a school of thought, there might be multiple theories. Now, why are these different theories classified under one school of thought? It might be because they were developed at around the same time, like all the theories under the classical school were developed in the early 1900s. Or it might be because the theories have similar high-level approach, like both management research and operations research use quantitative techniques. And under each theory, there will be several principles. In this chapter, we will focus on classical management theories. We will read about the scientific management theory, which was proposed by Frederick Taylor, and the administrative management theory, which was proposed by Henry Fayol. Even though these theories were developed around 100 years ago, they are still important because they laid the foundation for the formal study of management as a subject. And some of the later theories developed or evolved from these classical theories. Later on, when you do your BBA or your MBA, you will study various contemporary and emerging theories. So, understanding the classical theories will provide a foundation for the study of more specialized and advanced theories.